Hello everybody, it's me back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a circle spawner. Let's start. First, what you need is you need to go to model, click spawn. It's right beside effects. It's between effects and advanced objects. And now you want to go, you could delete the decal. You can do that, but I recommend you to do that because it will look better. Change it to any color you want. Resize it to like and you don't actually have to resize it. And then insert a special mesh into it. And that's a circle spawn for you. So yeah, pretty simple, nothing too hard. And Fishman Evan told me to do this tutorial, so here it is. Thank you, Fishman Evan, for a suggestion. And what tutorial should I do next? Now let me test it out. I'm testing it out now. Spawn right on top. So guys, hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe, like, and share for more content. And yeah, that's like all. Thanks Fishman Evan for this tutorial video, and peace.